8. Work. Jobs. Vocabulary list.
businessman, chef, journalist, lawyer, nurse, police officer, personal assistant, teacher, volunteer.
I'm a police officer, and I work different shifts each week. My job is to keep people safe. I work for a national newspaper. I interview people and write articles. I'm a journalist. I help my patients every day. I work in a hospital, and I'm a nurse. I work as a volunteer. I work with animals, and I have to look after them every day. I don't get paid for my work. I'm a businessman, and I work in the city. I work with different companies, and I make lots of money. I work in a school, and my job is to help students pass exams. I'm a teacher.